Welcome to the channel, friends. So today I'm going to present you guys this review video on the Wahl Compact Foil Shaver. I want to go over what it comes with and kind of my initial impressions on using this product here. I was in the market for something like this, a foil shaver. I've never really used one before, actually, believe it or not. I've always used the traditional, cream shave and razor like this, your Gillette Mach 3. I also have used something like this. This is also a Wahl product. This is the Wahl Lithium-Ion detailed trimmer. I really like using this, and I needed something to use in conjunction with this guy because this really doesn't give you a nice, quick, kind of clean shave. And for underneath my beard, I wanted to use something like this, which has the foils. Okay, so really quick, it's a dual foil shaver. It has a cutter bar in the center, so that will trim your longer hairs. But I really like this compact design. Especially for traveling, this is great. Okay, it's rechargeable, and it also has a travel lock. So this switch here kind of locks in place. As you can see, it locks in this position until you want to use it, and you can go ahead and turn on the unit. Okay, it's a very compact design. I've used it so far, and I really like it for trimming up my beard underneath my neckline. So I have a full beard right now, and what I do is I actually still use this to do all the detail work and cut that line underneath my neck along my jawline. And then I'll come in and kind of like take off all the neck beard with this. So that way I have a nice clean look underneath my beard all over my neck. So it'll be a clean shave underneath, and then I'll use this guy here to precisely cut that line and make it defined. But this here does not offer that kind of like precise, edging or creation of line underneath your jawline there. But it does work extremely well on cleaning up and getting really close to the skin, which is exactly what I wanted it for. Wahl does have a different model. I believe they call it the Life-Proof one. It's a yellow model. It has a built-in cutter. So basically it has like this edge on the back side of it that you can kind of like pull up and down and retract when you don't want to use it. I'd rather have this because this is like a purpose-built detailer trimmer. I will go ahead and put the link for both of these down below the video if you want to check out this guy or even this guy here, this foil shaver that I'm covering here today. But I'm really happy with this compact trimmer shaver. Like I said, it's easy to use. And you can actually like rinse this off with water. It's not waterproof, but you can rinse it off the head part with some, running water. So that's kind of water resistant in a way. So the main reason why I bought this foil shaver, like I said, is because of traveling and, quick touch-ups where I don't want to use a, cream shave and razor to accomplish that. Like I said, it works great on a day-to-day use. I tend to go like 3-4 days before I go ahead and shave it down to the skin. But I plan on using this for what it's worth, functionally for traveling. That way it's very compact. I don't have to bring a lot of stuff with me. And I will go over now what it comes with. So that's probably something you're going to want to know. And I'll show you what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with a rechargeable USB, a small cleaning brush, and a cover. Okay, so those are the things that come with it. Okay, the cover is very, very easy to use. It only goes on one way and snaps in. You can't snap it in the other way. But that's nice to have. A little cleaning brush, so when you pop the head off, you can go ahead and clean out the foil trimmer. Just like so. Blow that out, and then reassemble. Clean out the inside here as well. The guards. Really small tool gets in there, and then you can go ahead and install it back the way it was. Okay. But that there is what it comes with. I mean, it doesn't come with a transformer, so you have to have a USB adapter to plug into your Wahl. That's kind of the cost-saving benefit of having this model. It's about $50 on Amazon right now. But It doesn't come with the wall wart. You have to use a USB connection. And then this side obviously plugs into the bottom of the unit, just like that. So the box that it came in was really nice as well. I'm really impressed with the packaging of this shaver. So you have this really nice Wahl box, and it's got this nice little placard here. Thank you for choosing Wahl. I really like Wahl products because they just seem top notch, and like they execute everything really well when it comes to the product, the packaging, and everything. So it comes with a little instruction manual if you want that. But that's how the foil shaver came in. I really like how they package this up. It's like really professional, even though it is like kind of more of a budget friendly product. I did want to buy one of the more expensive foil shavers, like it's like $120, $130, like the more professional version. But I just wanted to try this one out first and see how I like it being $50. You know, after I use this for a while, I might spring for the other one and try out the more expensive model, like the one you would see at a barbershop. But this is, you know, purpose built for just being a quick kind of, you know, clean shaver, foil shaver, and exactly like I'm using it for. But like I said, this guy I highly recommend in your arsenal of gentleman products, you know, trimming products. I have a whole drawer kind of like laid out of all different Wahl tools that I use for trimming, shaving my head, and things like that. But I think that's going to be it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will bring kind of these random gentleman type products to you guys and let you know what I use. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.